Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip5, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Following that, scroll all the way down and tap on Biometrics located under Security. Now you can finally click on Face Recognition and enter your current login method. Following that, read all of the instructions and disclaimers. And when you're done, hit continue. Remember to keep your face in frame, follow all of the instructions from your screen, and wait for 100% mark. Now you can adjust all of those options however you wish to, and even click on Add Alternative Appearance to enhance face recognition over here, and add face data again. Then just tap on Home button. So when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!